Hello Years 3 and 4. I hope you're enjoying the videos we make for you. Have you ever wondered though how a video that I make on my phone here gets to your teachers and from your teachers gets to you, to the computer at your house? Today we're finding out. Today we're going to look at how computer networks communicate with each other. And year 3, we're going to look at how a simple process like an email or a video travels around. Let's have a look. Let's start by thinking what a network is. Now, a network is a number of computers linked together to share resources and pass information to each other. Now, a network you already know is our school. Think of all the laptops and computers we've got there and how they all can work together. Another network might be your home. If you have a computer or a smartphone or even a smart television, that forms a network. Now, I want you to think how important networks are. I wouldn't be talking to you today. Your teachers wouldn't be able to be teaching you online unless we had networks that could communicate with each other. Think of the internet. What is the internet? The internet is a huge network made up of other networks. Let's look at them more closely. This is a diagram of a network. Networks that are to be found in one place, such as school or home, are called local area networks. Home networks might be more simple, so don't worry if you don't recognize all the devices from home. Let's have a look at the server first. A server is a powerful computer that provides services to a network. Servers are left on all the time and they're not used on a day-to-day basis. Now, I wonder whether some of you might remember where the server is in our school. Now, the server at our school, teachers never touch. We have to wait for our technical team to come and service it or have a look at it. The clients. That does sound like a funny name, doesn't it? Now, the clients are any computers on a network that use the services provided by the server. So at school, that might be the teacher's laptop, which is connected to the interactive whiteboard, the iPads and laptops we have. At home, it could be your computer or computers if you have more than one, tablets, phones, or even your smart TV. The switch or a hub will connect all the various devices you have on a network together. We use them to reduce the amount of cables we have around because I tell you, we have so many devices these days that all the cables might tend to look a bit like a spaghetti junction. Now, these days we have a lot of devices that are wireless, which basically means they don't need wires to connect to the network. So these devices could be clients like iPads, tablets, laptops, phones, or they could be things like printers. Now, if we have wireless devices, we need a wireless router. The job of the router is to help devices to connect to the network by routing data or guiding data across a wireless connection. The modem, where would we be without it? Now, a modem gives access to the internet. It turns data from the computer into a suitable form to be transmitted over telephone lines to your internet service provider, such as Virgin Media, TalkTalk, BT. So it's a bit like a translator. It will take the information from the computer, send it over telephone lines. Similarly, it will take information that arrives through your telephone lines and translate it in a suitable way so that you can read it on your computer. Now, we're talking about telephone lines. Of course, these days we have super fast fiber and all sorts. Now, year 3 and 4, I'm going to send you on a treasure hunt. I want you to go around your house and see if you can find examples of the hardware and the devices we talked about today. Take photographs of them. And then if you can, do you think you can make a diagram, like a flow diagram, showing me how all these are connected? Now, don't worry if yours is not as detailed as the one you've just seen. Just want to see if you can understand how information travels from one device to another. Year 3,